fallout and staying grounded inside of it, what did I say I did? Ignored her completely, showed up in love, grabbed the bags, let me take this in, went in, gave the kids hugs and kisses, gave them the medicine they needed. All right, apologies it took so long, walk right back out. Come chasing after me, look, I'm sorry for being so mean. I'm just going through so much, I'm so tired. Magnetizing to naturally attract. Grounded masculine energy showing up in love and positivity. Be a nasty motherfucker if you want to. Feminine feels. Get emotional, falling on the floor, crying if you want to, and I'm sitting here calm, cool, and collected having a discussion about our relationship. It is magnetizing to naturally attract. My experience, and this is the new shit, not the years of, I'd say that I was learning how to not do it or what doesn't work. As I stay grounded in myself, the magnetizing, it's that polarity of my grounded that attracts in, gives feminine the opportunity to choose and show up. And I say that because I ain't never had no relationship with breakups. I'm dating, not even in a relationship, and had a third breakup. And they don't last more than 12 hours. It sounds like some high school shit. It's feminine. Let them manage the micro. That's the choice of, do you want to follow what I'm laying down? All I know is stay grounded and on this macro. You want to break up? You just made me a free agent. Like, I win regardless. I win because I keep you things that are good and worthwhile and what you want. I win if I'm back open season, if I don't have to consider any of it, and I'm free and in solitude and have the space and I'm living a life independent for myself. I will never give up this space and freedom. And backs the abundance when I make choices, when I'm ready to walk away from something ending, when I'm just in my power. As a masculine, grounded man, like, we got a fucking lotto ticket. All you have to do is keep building in yourself and living.